The efforts of a team of employees at Ocean Concrete resulted in the design and implementation of the Enviroguard chute wash system on all of our concrete trucks. The Enviroguard system consists of an air-actuated double diaphragm pump that draws the screen slurry water from the collection bucket and pumps it back into the drum to be recycled into the next load. The advantage of the system is that all of the washed materials are recycled and reused, including the slurry water. The Enviroguard pump has been specially adapted to handle abrasive material. Pumps installed on all Ocean Concrete trucks are lasting the life of the truck, which is 10 years with minimal maintenance required on the pump. Lastly, the Enviroguard system is patented in the US and Canada and has patents pending in a number of countries around the world. This system is versatile enough to use on every delivery situation in our industry. One of Ocean Concrete's drivers suggested that we install a vibrator at the top of the collection chute. After some experimentation, we installed a vibrator on every concrete truck in our fleet. This vibrator, coupled with a thorough scraping down of the chutes, ensures that all washdowns are quick with a minimal of materials left over in the wash cans. Also, the vibrator can facilitate the unloading of a low slump concrete. It is, however, not included with our system. Now let's observe use of the Enviroguard at the end of the delivery. Remember that every successful wash starts with the proper scraping out of the chute. The scraper, when used along with the vibrator, removes most of the material in the chute. Even the concrete that normally hangs up behind the rubber skirt at the top of the chute is vibrated down and scraped out. Also, by using a long-handled scraper, the bucket man can eliminate any spillage from the bucket or the chute and more easily maximize the amount of concrete that is loaded into the bucket. After this first step, the rest of the procedure is relatively simple. Just hang the wash bucket onto the end of the chute and attach the hose from the pump to the bucket. The timer on the screen is showing how long it takes to complete the washdown. Do a normal wash starting from top and work your way down to the bottom. After washing all the material into the bucket, turn on the pump and pump out the sand and slurry water by gently rocking the bucket while spraying the material. Once the liquid is gone, You can see there is only clean washed aggregate left in the bucket. Then disconnect the hose and firmly press the rubber end of the nozzle into the cam lock fitting to flush out any material that is left in the system. This step creates suction and ensures that all cementitious material is flushed out. Also, the loop in the discharge hose catches any material that hasn't been flushed into the drum. These last steps ensure that the system will remain virtually maintenance-free. Lastly, store the hose onto the truck and place the bucket back into the carrying rack. To prevent the system from icing up in winter conditions, all you need to do is unhook top and bottom cam locks from the pump, open the drain valve on the inlet housing, then turn on the pump for a few seconds to drain the water from the pump. Enviroguard pumps are also customizable to be fitted with release ball valves to keep the system free of any water that may cause freezing. In severe cold weather, you may need to spray hot water from your nozzle onto the pump to loosen any residual water that makes the balls stick on the inside of the pump. Just one more thing. This truck wash system is not a reclaimer. It's important that you scrape down as much of the concrete as you can out of the chute before you do your wash down. With a little practice, you'll be washing down quickly and efficiently. At Ocean, we are committed to responsible care of the environment. We hope you are too.